has been a day. It's actually been a beautiful day. It's like 73 degrees right now, which is amazing. I've had a t-shirt on all day. I just put this hoodie on because it's so cool in my house, but I had to get a new vacuum because mine broke. And it was the Dyson cordless one. I don't know which one, but it just, everything just went wrong with it. It kept getting clogged like every few minutes. And then I broke something trying to unclog it and you couldn't even shut it. So it was a mess. So anyway, got this new one and I was researching like which vacuum to get, and basically they all had complaints, like they all had negative reviews. So I was like, I just don't care. I found this Shark one and I picked it because it said it was raspberry. They did have a pretty pink one on Amazon, but I didn't figure it would be any good. So I just thought, let me go with a trusted name, Shark, and it's supposed to be raspberry, but I don't know, I didn't look at the review. I kind of just ordered it. It looks bright red. It looks bright red in the camera, but I solely picked it because I was like, just get the pink one. I really don't care. So we're gonna unbox it. And just because it's brand new, any brand new vacuum right now, the dogs are going crazy, is gonna be better than what I had going on. So I'm so excited. I haven't vacuumed in days. The dogs got new bones and they're just constantly play fighting over them. Brody! Hello? Quit it. No. No. Okay, this one is called the Rocket Pet Pro. I like that it has a pet title, which my other one did too, so that's not saying much, but it has a light on the front, and mine did it. And I am just gonna have to turn the sound off because these dogs are on one right now. Anyway, if you wanna know what vacuum I got, it's the Shark Cordless Pet Plus. And I got it from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box if you want to know the exact one, but who knows? We don't know if it's any good yet. We're about to find that out. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Ooh, it's like, this is weird. It seems tall. This is maroon at best. And I despise the color maroon. Oh my goodness. Here we go. We're just gonna start right out of the box. This already feels weird. I'm gonna switch hands. Do you vacuum right-handed or left-handed? Because I feel like I should probably charge it. This is the weirdest feeling, but I like it. As long as it doesn't clog up. Alright, you guys, I have had this vacuum for about 3 weeks now. I don't have any complaints, but I'm not going to say that I love it just because, number one, I don't care for the color, and number two, it seems kind of just clunky. I don't know, it's just big and bulky, it seems like, compared to the Dyson that I was using. But I'm just doing some everyday cleaning, and it's spring. I have been so in love with spring this year. I don't know what it is, but I am just soaking it all up. I am just appreciating the sunshine and everything blooming so much. It is just making me so happy and feel so good. And in this video, it is Monday, and Monday is my sheet changing day. I change our sheets every Monday to a fresh set, and that's what I'm doing right now, putting on a fresh set. I am still wanting to get some new bedding. I really have got to commit to start looking for some. It is just so hard to change, but I'm gonna do it. A package just showed up this morning. I haven't even got a chance to freshen myself up, but I am going to open that package and share it with you guys. happy Monday morning, everybody. Don't mind my hair. I washed it last night and put it in these braids and slept in them, so they're a mess. But I haven't had time to mess with it. I did, however, just get an order of some new spring pieces that I got from Lane 201, I think. So I'm excited about that. I got these cute tank top bodysuits. So I'm excited to try those on. I love the two-tone pink, so cute. And then I got another one, and it's this blue and white one. I thought it looked so cute and retro. So I got 2 of those. And then I feel like I don't remember what I ordered. I got a few little spring casual dresses. So I got this one here, and it's like a charcoal color, and it's made out of an athletic material, and it's got shorts underneath. Super comfy for just literally anything. I mean, you could go to the grocery store, the park, you could go on a hike, you could go really anywhere. So perfect for my lifestyle. The next one, ooh, I don't know about this. It's like a sweatshirt dress. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It just feels so thick, so definitely for the cooler temperatures, which is good for right now. I just don't know how long in the season I can wear this, but look how cute it is. I just love heather gray cotton sweatshirt material. It's just the coziest, so I think this will be a cozy little dress. I also got this dress, which I thought was super pretty. It's like this knit material. I love how it has the buttons and the collars. It just looks so cute. And then I got this oversized denim jacket. They had it in like blue denim, but I thought I would try the black. I would probably wear it more. I always get self-conscious in blue denim. But this is oversized. I ordered a small. So this is how big it is compared to a size small. Even though black's not really a spring color, I just figured it would be like a good staple to have. I still have to do something about my hair, and I only have so much time to get stuff done today. So I just loaded my dishwasher with all the dishes. I can't have all this stuff in the sink from like just the weekend and everything. I'm gonna hand wash everything that needs to be hand washed and kind of wipe down all of the surfaces in here and get everything picked up.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know
some fun stuff coming up in my kitchen in the next video. I know I've been doing a lot of kitchen stuff, but so much of our lives revolve around the kitchen. It's like the center of the home. So I have been doing lots of organizing. If you watched my last video, I completely reorganized our fridge and it looks amazing. And next, I'm going to be reorganizing the spices and a few other things. Plus, we are getting a brand new addition to our kitchen, a new stove. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait to show you. We already got it in and it will be coming up in one of my next videos, but this stove we have had for 12 years and it has had some problems over the year, but recently one of my burners stopped working and I've just been having so many problems with it. We decided it was a great time to get the new stove that I have always been wanting, so I can't wait to share that with you. So make sure you stick around for the next video and hit that subscribe button. Obviously, I'm expecting this to make me a much better cook, of course. Of course, now I'm moving on from the dishes to the laundry, and if that isn't the thing that I'm constantly doing, from dishes to laundry, it really never stops around here. So I've got a constant rotation of both going on, and there's really no way around it. So I'm switching a load here, and then I'm going to fold it, put it away, and get it out of my hair. I filmed this after the last cool weekend that we had, and we went riding, so I'm washing all of my cool weather riding gear that's covered in mud. One thing that I need to tackle now that it is spring is my closet, but that is the place that I neglect the most because I'm trying to get everything else done. So I tend to just throw my stuff aside thinking, oh, I'll get to it later, and then I'm doing everything else in the meantime. So I definitely need to revamp the closet and get that cleaned out as well. As you can probably tell by now, my hair did not make it out of braids on this day. Some days you just got to pick your battles, and that wasn't one of them. I just did not have time to do my hair every day. A lot of times, if I've styled my hair one day, I just keep brushing my curls and it will look good for like 2 or 3 days, but on the day before it was straight, so it just looked crazy. And yeah, I am just doing a little bit more vacuum, and this is with my new vacuum. I'm still liking it. Hasn't got clogged yet, and that is what I was after because my Dyson was getting clogged like every 5 minutes. It was unusable because as soon as I started vacuuming, it would get clogged with the pet hair, and it was because it would just hit the side of the container and all build up there and wouldn't fall down into it. So I don't know what the deal was. It just didn't seem like it could handle the pet hair I was vacuuming up, and I vacuum every day, so I don't know. It's not like it was anything out of the ordinary. It wasn't the newest Dyson either, so I don't know if that model changed. I really couldn't figure it out, but I just went ahead and went with this one, and so far, so good. And I don't know if you can tell, but this puppy definitely keeps me on my toes. I can be in the middle of something and have to stop to take him out or just see what he's barking at or see what he's gotten into or clean up a mess. It's always something, let me tell you. It makes my day go a little bit slower, but all the snuggles and loves are worth it. So now I'm back to the kitchen because there's always something to clean. Right now I'm cleaning out my air fryer. It was just time to be cleaned. I didn't clean it after the last night, so I'm just scrubbing all the insides and soaking it. Then I'm gonna put all the dishes away so the kitchen will be nice and clean for us to destroy it again at dinner.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah.
I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to get started on your daily chores. And happy spring if you're experiencing spring where you are. If not, you can live vicariously through me. I don't mind. In that case, make sure you like this video and leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I've got a kitchen video coming up where we are replacing our stove. We got a brand new one, and I'm going to be redoing my spices and a few other things, and I've got a yummy recipe to share with you. I've also got my she shed reveal finally coming up next week, you guys. I am so excited to share this with you. I've got it done and it looks absolutely amazing. So you don't want to miss out on that one. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.